Most people don't know these facts, but they could actually save your life one day. Fact 1. If you're choking alone, you can use a chair to perform the Heimlich maneuver on yourself. It's not ideal, but it's saved lives. Just place the chair against your upper abdomen and thrust. Fact 2. Don't wait to feel thirsty to drink water. Thirst is a sign you're already dehydrated. Staying hydrated helps with memory, energy, and even heart health. Fact 3. If someone faints, don't shake them. Instead, check their breathing and lay them on their back with legs elevated. It improves blood flow to the brain. Fact 4. Burnt toast? It's not just bitter. It may contain acrylamide, a harmful chemical. Scraping the black part isn't enough. Better to toast it light brown next time. Remember, it's the little things that can make the biggest difference.